Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make nail polish look brighter. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make your nail polish look brighter on your nails when you are painting your nails, this is the video for you. It's actually a really simple thing to do, and it works really well in terms of brightening up the coloration of the nail polish on your nails once you have painted your nails. So essentially, we're going to start off by talking about why your nail polish might look more dull than you want it to. So your nail polish likely looks more dull than you want it to because it's being based on your natural nail color. And that's nothing against your nail color, okay? No matter what your nail color is, okay? When you put nail polish on a natural nail color, on a natural nail, it's just not as likely to appear bright. It's more likely to appear dull, okay? That can mean it can be just a little bit more dull than you would like it to be, or a lot more dull than you would like it to be. But when you paint nail polish onto a natural nail, okay, it makes it more likely to appear dull. So how do we solve this? How do we fix this? Well, the way to solve this and fix this and make it look brighter is to, instead of painting it on your natural bare nail, what you want to do is you want to apply one coat of opaque white nail polish as the base coat first. And then let that dry, and then apply your regular nail polish color on top of that. Now, when you apply that opaque white nail polish as the base coat first, and then you let it dry, and then you put your nail polish color on top of that, it's gonna make the nail polish appear brighter. You're giving it a solid base coat. Kind of think of it like this. Okay, when you prime a wall before painting it, that paint color goes on the wall more easily, but it shows better. You need fewer coats of that paint color to show fully. Okay, so think about the opaque white base coat, okay, as essentially almost like a primer for your nails. So what that means is that the color that you put on top of that opaque white base coat, on top of that primer, that color is gonna appear brighter. It's as simple as that. Think about it similarly to painting a wall. You put a primer on the wall first, you put the color on top of the primer, okay? You're putting the opaque white base coat on top of your nail first, then you're putting the color on top of that sort of primer. It's not really a primer, we're just calling it a primer. But basically, it's more likely when you do this, when you use this method, the color that you get on your nail is going to be more likely to represent the full-blown brightness that you're going to be wanting to achieve, right? So I'm sure you want your nails to look brighter if you're watching this video, and if you try this method out, you'll notice that they will appear brighter. It might be slightly brighter, it might be a lot brighter, but it's more likely to appear brighter in general, okay? That range is going to depend on a variety of factors of how much brighter it appears, but it's more likely to appear brighter with regards to the color of your nail polish after painting your nails. So that's it. Just put a base coat of opaque white nail polish on first, let that dry, and then apply the color normally, and it should likely appear at least a little bit brighter. And that's it. That's how to make your nail polish look brighter. Very simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.